Hello. Today we're going to be reading In the Garden. Do you know what kind of things we will find in the garden? Let's find out, shall we? In the garden, there's a pepe, a butterfly. In the garden, there's a manulele. See the manulele? In the garden, there's a pussy. A lanu niuli pussy. Yeah? A black cat. In the garden, there's a maile. Can you bark like a maile? Woof woof, woof woof, woof woof. Lele tele. In the garden, there's a caterpillar. Can you wiggle your arm like a caterpillar? Lele tele. In the garden, there's a aponga leve, a spider. Shall we count how many legs this aponga leve has? There's tasi, lua, tolu, fa, lima, ono, fitu, valu. There are valu legs on the aponga leve. What do we have over here? It's the avi'i. How many legs does the avi'i have? We've got tasi, lua, tolu, fa, lima, ono legs in the avi'i. Here we have a sisi, a snail. And here is an anufe. So this is a bee and this is a bee. But this is a wasp and this is a bee. Can you see the difference? But we call them both a bee. And our last thing that we see in the garden is a loi. A loi is an ant. Have you ever sat in the garden and have the loi try and eat your food? Yes, me too. So I hope you enjoyed reading a Samoan story with us. Soifua.